Welcome to CIN News Network. Top headlines of this week. 3 underground tunnels to be linked with the Prime Minister's Vice President's residence, connecting with the new Parliament. The new Parliament is expected to be completed by the 75th anniversary of India's independence in 2022 and will have a triangular shape. Ayodhya, Ram Mandir Trust buys adjoining land as part of the plan to expand the temple's complex area to around 107 acres. Taj Mahal premises cleared for search operations after the arrival of a threatening call at the police control room, stating to blow up the monument. However, later the threats turned out to be a deception. Entry for the tourist resumes. BJP Central Election Committee to finalize the first list of candidates for the West Bengal Assembly elections today. Indians are fighting over themselves as Sikhs residing in Australia face the lashes of an attack on Sunday. A group of Sikh men in Sydney claimed to be victims of a hate crime after their car was attacked last Sunday. Further, according to the law enforcement authorities, tensions rising between the Sikh community and the Indian government for the agricultural bills is now seeking a lash worldwide. Maharashtra reports nearly 10,000 new COVID-19 cases for the first time since October 2020. IED bomb blast in the West Singhabhum area of Jharkhand. 2 soldiers dead, 3 injured. VK Sasikala quits politics ahead of the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections. President Ram Nath Kovind to visit Jabalpur and Damoh on the 6th and 7th of March, where he will join the Narmada Maha-Aarti and lay the foundation stones for several projects, including the development work for the tourist places, taking into consideration the state of the Singaurgarh Fort. Covaxin to be 81% effective in the prevention of COVID-19 after the third round of clinical trials, says Bharat Biotech, whereas the AstraZeneca Oxford University's vaccine has an efficacy of 62%. The Pfizer Biotech is considered to have 95% potency, while the Moderna's vaccine has 94% effectiveness in the prevention of COVID-19. Mary Kom appointed as the chairperson of AIBA's Champions and Veterans Committee. The 37-year-old 2012 Olympic bronze medalist and the 6-time world champion was named for the position after a voting session conducted by the AIBA's board of directors. The most awaited Redmi Note 10 series launched in India today, starting from Rs 11,999.